Welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info. In front of me I have Google Pixel 10 Pro. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix black and white screen. So this is usually caused by one setting. Let's open settings on your phone. Now let's scroll down until you see accessibility section. And now let's go to color and motion. Here open color correction and please make sure that color correction is turned off. As you can see, my colors instantly became bright, and this is the most common thing that causes your screen to be black and white. But also, if your screen is still black and white, then you have to check bedtime mode. Let me reset my settings. You want to go to settings, and now let's find section that is called Digital Wellbeing. From here you want to go to bedtime mode, and please make sure that bedtime mode is set to off. But after this, to fix this, if the problem continues, then simply restart your device. Press and hold power button like this, not the power button, sorry, but press and hold power button and also volume up button simultaneously, and then select a restart option, and then your phone will restart itself. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and see you in the next one.